Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you will be fine. I'm your science teacher with lecture number 3 of unit 5. Today's topic is germination, page number 44. Germination. Seeds usually have a hard covering. Inside each seed there is a baby plant. When a seed is put into the soil and gets enough water, sunlight and air, it can grow into a new plant. We say that the seed has germinated. Seed germination. Parts of a seed. Seed coat. Seed is covered by a hard covering called the seed coat. What is the function of the seed coat? The function of the seed coat is to protect the embryo which is present inside the seed. Embryo. Inside a seed contains a baby plant which is called the embryo. Cotyledon. Cotyledon is a seed leaf which provides food to the embryo until it can make food for itself. What is germination? Germination is the process of the growth of a seed into a plant is called germination. We all know that every plant starts life as a seed. The development of a seed into a new baby plant, this process is called the germination. What are the conditions for the process of germination? Moisture, warm, nutrient-rich oil, sunlight, good quality seed. Moisture, water, warm, heat, nutrient-rich soil, the soils which contain the proper amount of food which is important for the seed for the process of germination, sunlight and good quality seed. Once all these conditions are satisfied, the seed start to be germinate. When a seed is planted into the soil, it absorbs water from the soil and provides moisture to the embryo. Embryo is a baby plant which is present inside the seed. The plant cell inside the seed start growing and the embryo present inside the seed start nourishment. The first sign of growth is a tiny root which comes out from the seed. With tiny root is the first sign of growth of the seed. With more and more nourishment, the embryo starts growing, the root appears and begins to grow. The growing embryo, which is present inside the seed and is covered by a hard shell called the seed coat, bursts open through the seed coat in search of sunlight to start its own process of photosynthesis. Shoot pushes up and begins to grow. Once the seed coat falls off, roots start growing downward to anchor the seed and search more food from the soil. This tiny root takes in water and now the shoot will grow upward in search of the sunlight to start its own process of photosynthesis. Meanwhile, the shoots growing upward toward the light, and we see a baby plant with tiny leaf. And this process of the growth of a seed into a plant is called germination.